What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house, back with another video, back with another unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing Dasai's brand new Mochi Generation 3. And this is a special edition Mochi, as you can see right here, the San edition Mochi. So San meaning number 3 in Japanese, Ichi-ni-san. And yeah, this is yet another special edition Mochi from Dasai. So if you want some more information about Dasai, go ahead and check out their website. It's in the description. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this brand new Generation 3 Mochi from Dasai. Let's check out the box here first. So top of the box we have Mochi and San, so 3. And then we have Mochi, that's the San edition helmet, San edition classic, super awesome, really cool. And then on the bottom here we have Dasai's info, and oh, that's cool, a new Dasai authenticity hologram. That's pretty cool. We've got serialized and authenticity. Super neat. So a little bit about the Dasai Gen 3. So this is an all new, brand new edition of Mochi. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery. So first Mochi with a battery. It has 70 plus facial expressions and animations. This Mochi is also the first Mochi to have a gyroscope, so it'll actually react to your movements and your driving movements in your car. It also has an automatic on-off timer because it's battery operated, and it has a new OLED screen. So if you remember the other Mochis, they don't have they have a different screen, and this one has a brand new OLED screen. Also, it's got an upgraded speaker, and the coolest part is all of your Gen 1 and Gen 2 Mochi helmets will fit Gen 3 Mochi. So if you've got a special edition helmet or a helmet that you really like, don't worry about it, it'll still fit. And I've also unboxed Dasai's Boso Mochi, so if you want to check that out, you can check it out up here. I've also unboxed Dasai's Tokyo Mochi, so if you want to check that out, you can check that out up here as well. And another special edition Mochi I've unboxed from Dasai is Yamanote Mochi, so if you want to check that out as well, go ahead and check it out right up here. So without further ado, let's open up this one and see what we got. That's super awesome. Alright, so right at the top, literature. So yeah, this is specific to Gen 3, so thank you Dasai for updating your literature. And then we've got some instructions there, so you can pause that, and if you want to read that, and then check out all the facial expressions here. Super cool. A lot of brand new facial expressions, and then a lot that you're probably familiar with. So that's super cool. I'm super excited for this. That's wicked. Yeah, I think the gyro and the battery are an awesome new addition. And there is Mochi himself, or itself. Does Mochi have a gender? Oh, that's cool. The inside of the box. Check this out. San. Oh, that's super awesome. So yeah, let's check out Mochi himself. So we've got the Mochi, and then USB-C cable, and then we have 2 double-sided Velcro mounting pads. So typical Mochi setup. And here's the San edition Mochi itself. So as you can see, the special glittery helmet and trying to get the camera to pick this up the best, but it looks brilliant in person. Yeah, camera's having a little bit of a hard time picking it up, but yeah, this is fantastic. So alright, let's start it up. So since this is brand new for everyone, might as well go through the instructions together. So we've got the side button for Mochi right there. So we press the button to turn Mochi on and off. If you hold that button, it's going to show you the battery. If you press the button twice, that's going to turn the gyro on and off. If you press the button 3 times, that's to turn off the automatic sleep mode. And if you press the button 4 times, that's going to mute it. And then as you can see here, just some more details about sleep mode and charge mode, etc. So let's go ahead and boot Mochi up and see what we got. Got to get him out of the helmet. So there's the button we were talking about. So if you hold it, it should show you. Okay, so shipped with full battery. That's awesome. Alright. That's awesome. See if we can trigger the gyro. Oh yeah. That's awesome. So yeah, like I mentioned before, a couple new features with this one. So we've got the built-in battery, we've got 70 plus facial expressions and animations, as you can see right there. We've got the gyro, the automatic on-off. Oh yeah, this is wicked. And then the improved speaker, and then also the brand new OLED screen. So alright guys, so that's pretty much Dasai's Mochi 3 in a nutshell. And this one of course is the special edition, Sun edition. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, this is wicked. I'm feeling this. I'm digging this one. But yeah, as always, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.